Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 12.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Open any web browser, then go to MariaDB official website, that is mariadb.org. Click on download, then click on MariaDB Repositories, scroll down, then select the distribution. I am on Ubuntu 24.04. If you are on Ubuntu 23, select 23. If you are on 22, select 22. Okay, select 24. Then select the MariaDB version. See, at the time of installation, the latest stable version is MariaDB 12.0. Then see here, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So execute these commands one by one. Copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Then create this keyrings directory, paste it, hit enter. Then import this one, copy entire line, paste it, hit enter. We have to create this file, so copy this one, sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, copy entire this text, paste it, save the file, wq exclamation. Now update the packages, sudo apt get update, hit enter. It is done. Now install the MariaDB server. Sudo apt get install MariaDB -server. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See here, it is installing MariaDB 12. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, MariaDB server is started. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to MariaDB. Sudo MariaDB. See, we have successfully connected to MariaDB version 12.0.1, but we don't have the password for root account. So first verify the list of the users. Show users, this won't work. Select username, select user from mysql.user. See, we have this default user. So first set the password for this root account. Alter user root identified by, set the password. Okay, we have to give see, we have successfully set the password for root account. So exit. Now connect MariaDB without sudo. MariaDB -u root -p. Then provide the new password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MariaDB 12.0 installation. Also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MariaDB 12.0. Okay, now create database. Create database. Now verify. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Before it was none, now it is changed to bank. Now verify tables, show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now we will see how to create user. As I told you, we won't get the users information if we run this show users. Okay. So create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit and connect MariaDB with this new user. MariaDB -u, username is David-p. Then provide the password of this David user. See, we have successfully logged into the MariaDB server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MariaDB server 12.0 on Ubuntu 24.0. For sudo systemctl stop MariaDB. Now verify the status. See, MariaDB server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit. Also try to connect to MariaDB server. See, we are unable to connect because MariaDB server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MariaDB. Verify the status. See, MariaDB server is started. Quit, Control A. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MariaDB. This type. Now verify the status. See, MariaDB server started or restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay. Until now we have connected MariaDB server by using MariaDB client. We can also connect MariaDB by using the most popular tools like MySQL Logmeter, DBViewer. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Logmeter, DBViewer on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install MariaDB 12.0 on Ubuntu 24.0. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.